Hi friends, welcome to 360 Master and the 360 Trader. So I'm just sharing today's my trade, so you can see my today's my I booked a profit of 1,000 rupees. So it was a, I don't know, it was a very different day actually. What happened, the market was little sideways, but there is upward trend was there, a slope. So morning itself I bought. Actually, you can see my orders, what it is happened. I ordered around, I took a position in 22,500 CE call option for quantity 100. You can see the time 9:43 I bought actually. So we'll see in the chart 9:43. So around here you can see 9:42. So this is the point. This is the point where I bought my position, but it was a little wrong decision. I bought actually here for 78 rupees I bought, but exactly after my buying the market came down again, because I could have waited actually for my levels to touch the trend, to touch the market and respect, and I could have waited for what is the price action is going to happen from this line. But I was little hurried, then I bought actually the 100 and it was started my losses, and it is so much, it is some to 15 to 20 minutes it's concentrated on the our horizontal line of the 21050, that level which was I already gave last week. From there I saw a retracement started, so I was little confident because in this pattern itself I was in a loss of somewhere 700 to 600 to 700 when it is came down, and my stop loss was, I thought, around 1,000 rupees, means I will book my loss and I will exit. But if this retracement gave me a confidence, and I thought, okay, let me wait, it will give a retracement at least like this. But again it came down, again it touched our horizontal line, which is our 21050. It's a very good support level. Again it retraced from there, and I am seeing again it is coming down. So in between, actually I'm a scalping trader, and my trades was just 5 to 10 minutes almost most of the days. But today I was just stuck because of this trade, because I was in keep on in loss position, and it was just like it was playing in between 600 to 700, 700 to 800. In that loss position it is, even though if it is retraced, my position was in loss. So I was just waiting, and it came down again. You can see retraced again, it came down, but it is not touched our 21050. Before that itself it is started to retrace again, it little came down. So little more up it is concentrated, and it is trying to retrace from there. So meantime I found there was a pattern is happening here. So I'll show you the video itself, a fast forward video you can see after this, so that you can see how I found out the pattern and I draw this pattern. So this particular pattern I drawn. So the pattern, it is very clear that I can see that the market is market is touching the level, and it is going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up. So this is the pattern I found out. So I draw a line, and I was waiting a price action should happen in this, between these lines. So you see the time somewhere here. So 12:30 means 9:30, almost 9:30, 10:30. It's almost 3 hours I was waiting. From this point there is a big candle, big green candle. You can see a big bullish candle happen. It gave me a 109 point increase. See how beautifully it came up, and it touched exactly my level here, and it came down. So somewhere, so this single candle recovered my loss actually. Then I was in a profit like 20 to 30 rupees. So I don't want to sell because of just for 30 to 40 rupees, because I was just waiting for to take a profit of 1,000 rupees from morning. So it's not worth for me to exit. If I'm just seeing it coming down. The candle was just started to coming down. And again a next bullish candle I saw. It was a good sign for the next bullish candle. So I just waited for one more candle. Yes, it's exactly again went and touched our levels. Even the next candle also it's trying to touch, and somewhere here concentrating and gave a little bullish here. So meantime I actually sold my option. I got a profit of 1,000. So in between you can see there is a total 3 orders. So the first one was, I ordered this one. For the first one I ordered for 78 rupees 100 quantity of 22,500. Then what happened, when I found out there's a exact pattern is happening, then I thought that because where I bought for 78 rupees it was a higher amount, and I was somewhere sure that 78 to 80 rupees would be maximum it will touch. So I can see, I observed that many times the price of that particular option is coming down to 65 and it is retracing, coming down to 65 and it is retracing. So I thought, okay, I can do an average in the sense some adjustment. So that adjustment I done. What I done, when it is came down again here, and somewhere I think that time you can see I bought this 60 extra for 1129. If you see 1129, see somewhere here exactly, see that when it is again touched with this particular point, I bought 60 more quantity of the same option. Why? What is the advantage of this? Because I increased and I bought for a lesser price, again 66. So it will average the buying price, right? See, you can see the buying average price is becoming 73. If I was just waiting with my 78, that is my buying price, and if somewhere 80 rupees is touching, because you can see my selling price is 80 rupees, and if it is coming is 2 rupees only, what is the thing? I will get 200 rupees only maximum. Again it market came down. So I took a very good decision and I bought for this 66 rupees again 60, and I averaged my buying price to 73. Because of that I was able to get a good advantage of 80 rupees, so almost 7 rupees extra on my, so 160 into almost 7 point change rupees, so the 1037 profit I booked. So that's about today's trade. So just you see a live fast forwarded video of my today's video also, today's trade also, then I will explain you little more about the trade. So just see this video, coming video. So friends, now see the time is around 2:40. See, still our trend line is actually the market is respecting. See how exactly, even though it came down, see our parallel horizontal, our 21050, this level actually I gave I think last week itself. So based on that, it is coming to the level and it is going back to our trend line. See, from there again a retracement is happening. So this is the importance of price action level, what is happening. So now if I am coming back, see what I sold for 80 rupees, now you can see the price is 59, just 59. So because where I sold here, this was our selling point. From there, see again how much it came down, because I exactly particularly perfectly utilized the levels and the breakups. So it's based on the mentality and how you handle the situation. I could have booked my loss of 1500 and came out from today's market, right? But still I believed myself and I believed in my trade levels and the price action. You can see how beautifully it's respecting our levels. It's awesome. So that is the importance of price action and patterns. So you have to try to analyze. You should be in a position to understand the chart and how you should be able to be in a position to understand the different type of patterns and price levels where the support and resistance is happening. If you are in a position to draw a line with a mix of these two in the sense the patterns and the resistance and support levels, then I am telling you it is very good. You can do a very good job in this intraday trading, especially in options market, which is very rewarding. So that's it, my dear friends. So I think most of the friends, it was a little difficult day for the traders today because of the sideways trend. People will tell it's a sideways trend, but if you look into different levels and patterns, it's not a sideways actually. It's little increasing actually, but there are some bottoms and upwards are there. So that's it. So anyway, I think hope you all people enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your support and love. So keep watching and keep support, and always do take proper trades and always see your price actions and the price levels and the patterns. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe my channel if you not have subscribed. Thank you.